How to get Geometry Dash on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get Geometry Dash on Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to get Geometry Dash on Android, these are the methods you need to follow up in order to do it. For that, you can directly head over to the Play Store if you're on Android and open it up. Once you are here, you can use the search bar in order to search for Geometry Dash. Just go ahead and type in Geometry Dash and you will be getting the results here. So from this results, look for this one, which is Geometry Dash. And in order to download the Geometry Dash, you need to pay a certain amount, which is the only way you can get this application on your device. So you need to pay about $2.69. You can go ahead and tap on this option on your screen and it will lead you to this payment method. Just go ahead and add up a payment method in your Google Play. After that, go ahead and purchase the app and this application should be downloaded onto your device. So that is how you download Geometry Dash on Android. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.